Hi everyone, I'll be giving you the weekly wrap for the week beginning Monday the 23rd of April. We have 8 auctions this week. Our first is the online stationery and office consumables clearance auction, one of 2. This is closing Monday the 23rd of April at 6 p.m. And this includes office, children's and school stationery, printer cartridges, pens, dividers, day planners, notepads, files, scales, laptop docks, book wrapping, labeler tapes and much more. Our second auction is the online light vehicles, engineering and metalworking machinery liquidation auction, one of 2. This is located at Naval Base and this is closing Tuesday the 24th of April at 10 a.m. And this includes 3 utilities, service trailers, guillotines, bandsaws, press brakes, arm drills, lathes, welders, welding equipment, machinery tooling and equipment, workshop equipment and much more. Our third auction is the online engineering and workshop equipment liquidation auction, 2 of 2, also located at Naval Base. This is again closing on Tuesday the 24th of April, but at 12 p.m. This includes 20-foot C containers, workbenches, shelving, cabinets, toolboxes, sandblasting, hoppers, trolleys, pipe stands, welders, welding equipment, machinery tooling and equipment, workshop equipment, hand and power tools and much more. Our fourth auction is the online stationery and office consumables clearance auction, 2 of 2. This is closing Wednesday the 25th of April at 6 p.m. and this includes computer and IT accessories, envelopes, display stands, office filing accessories, ink cartridges, gift bags, office and school stationery, desk accessories, files and filing accessories, book covers and wrapping diaries, envelopes and much more. Our fifth auction is the online final skateboard clearance auction. This is also closing Wednesday the 25th of April at 7 p.m. and this includes 55 of the new various sized and graphic skateboards sold within boxes and without, and these are all at a very lowered price. Our sixth auction is the online new Surface Pros clearance auction with warranty. This is closing Thursday the 26th of April at 7 p.m. and this includes 32 of the brand new Microsoft Surface Pro 4s, 5 of the Dell Latitude 12 rugged tablets and 4 assorted Dell projectors. And again, these are all at a lowered price. Our 7th auction is the online new swags and rooftop tents auction. And this is closing again on Thursday the 26th of April at 6 p.m. And this includes 15 of the new king-size car rooftop tents without annex and 15 of the new king-size free-standing double swags. And again, these are all at a lowered price. Now, our last auction for this week is the online Unclaimed freight auction. This is closing Sunday the 29th of April at 7 p.m. and this includes mobile air conditioning units, sunbeam juicers, assorted pumps, hand tools including axes, block splitters, hatchets, spirit levels, trenching shovels, post hole diggers, cordless drills, desktop computers, picnic table sets, chairs, mats, lights, assorted stationery, calculators and much more. So that's all the auctions for this week. Make sure you keep an eye out for what's coming up next week and we'll see you very soon.